Barbecue beef in the crock pot is a really easy way to pull together a quick, tasty, comforty little dinner that you can serve your family. I love to turn it into barbecue beef sandwiches. It's so good slider style on some Hawaiian rolls, or if we're really hungry for dinner, I just pile it on high some hamburger rolls. So this all starts with 2.5 pounds beef chuck. You want to coat it all over with about 2 teaspoons of yellow mustard, and then add your favorite barbecue rub. I used about 1 tablespoon rub and rubbed it all over the entire thing. Now I pretty much always sear up meat before sticking it in the crock pot, so I put about 1 teaspoon olive oil down in a large pan on the stove. This is about medium to medium high heat. Just want to really brown that all over without letting the seasoning burn. You want to make sure to get those edges as well. I like to pretty much use up all of the oil in the pan, but you're definitely not going to cook it through at this step. You're ready to put that large beef chuck right in the crock pot. Add about 2 to 3 tablespoons barbecue sauce, and for the liquid we're going to use 1 cup beef broth, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Mix that liquid together and then add it to the crock pot. This cooks in the crock pot for about 8 hours on high. You might want to let it go a little bit longer. Don't take out the beef until it's fork tender. It should definitely shred easily. So excited for this barbecue beef. It has been slow cooking all day and I'm starving and it smells so good. Can we just take a moment to enjoy how tender this turns out? So good. A little Hawaiian roll. Love these. Make a little quick sandwich. So hungry, all that shopping today. So here's what the beef looks like next day. Definitely shred it up and keep it with the juices when you store it in the fridge, because it's going to keep it nice and tender and juicy, and it's going to make the perfect sandwich. To turn these into really yummy barbecue beef sandwiches, add some pickles, pickled onions, maybe some coleslaw on top. You can print all my recipes at sipbitego.com and sign up for my Foodie Fridays email list to be the first to know when new recipes come out. Delicious.